Okay, so let's go to these algebra questions. Question number 1 is, if x plus a is a factor of this, then the value of a can take. Okay, so it is given that x plus a is a factor, which means that x plus a equal to 0, x equal to minus a will satisfy the given expression. Okay, so put minus a in place of x, you'll get minus a cube, plus here you will get a into minus a square plus a into minus a plus 4, and this is equal to 0 because it is a root, so it will satisfy. Okay, so now this is a cube, this will be plus a cube, this will be minus a square plus 4 equal to 0. This gets cancelled and a square becomes equal to 4. Okay, so from options you can say that 2 as well as minus 2 both will satisfy, so option C is the answer. Okay, question number 2, which term is independent of x in the expansion of x square plus 3 by x? So this question is so this question you will be able to do in case you know the binomial expansion. Okay, so I'm telling you the general form of binomial expansion. Okay, so a plus b to the power n, if it is, then like our question is independent of x, so basically both have x in it, so a will be a 15 minus r into b r. Okay, and this should be x to the power 0. Okay, so like if you substitute over here, 15 I have taken because 15 is n, so basically you can write n over here. Okay, so our first term is x square, so we can write this as 2 to the power x to the power 2 into 15 minus r, and this is minus r, so into x to the power minus r, and this is x to the power 0. Okay, so directly you can compare from here. 2 15 minus r equal to 0. We need independent of x, so x0 is 1, so this will be 30 minus 2r minus r equal to 0, so 3r equal to 10. Okay, so r is equal to 10 does not mean that 10th will be the answer. Always the term will be r plus 1th term. Okay, like when you do ar to the power 9, then this is actually 10th term in GP, na? T10 this is in T9. Okay, same logic here as well, r plus 1, so 11th term, so 11th is the answer to this question. Okay, next question, find the sum of coefficient of all the powers of x. In this there is one funda, just put variable equal to 1. Okay, so if you put x equal to 1, we'll get 4 minus 1 to the power 20, so 3 to the power 20 is the answer to this question. Okay, nothing much you should know in this, you must. Okay, this is like this question I have taken because it may be possible that one alien question comes and this becomes that alien question. So in case you know that you have to put all the variables in place of variables, you have to put 1, then you will be able to do this. Okay, so that's why I have taken this question. Let fx is the function satisfying this is this, f2 is this, f1 by 2 is asked. Okay, these questions is also good, can be asked. Okay, so see, we know f2, we need f1 by 2. Okay, so f2 into f1 by 2 can be written as f2 into f1 by 2. Here it will be f1 and here it will be f2 and f1 by 2. Okay, f1 by 2. See, we know the value of f2, we have to find f1 by 2. In case we know f1, we'll be able to solve this. Okay, so let us put first expression. If we see, we can write f2 into 1 can be written as f2 into f1. f2 into 1 is nothing but f2, so this gets cancelled, so f1 is nothing but 1, so f1 is 1, so put this back here, so f1 means 1 equal to f2 into f1 by 2, so f1 by 2 equal to 1 by f2, and f2 value we know is 4, so 1 by 4 is the answer to this question. That's it, done. Last one, find the sum of the series. This is okay. So see, like you can also expand it and solve it, but I prefer using option in this. Okay, so like if I take only one term, then what will I get? I'll get log 3 square, so this is nothing but 1 by 2. Okay, right? So in the options, if I put n equal to 1, I should get 1 by 2. The one which gives is the answer. Okay, if multiple gives, we'll have to move on for checking n equal to 2. Okay, so put n equal to 1, so in the first option it will be 1 by 2 into 2, so this gives 1, not possible, this gives 1, but we need 1 by 2, so this is gone. Second option, if we see, 2 into 2, this gives 1, this is also gone. Third option, if we take 1 into 1 plus 1 2 into 2 plus 1 3 by 12, so 3 to 6 1 by 2, so this can be, we will put on hold. Next one, 1 into 2 by 4, 1 by 2, this also can be. Now let's check for n equal to 2. We'll take two terms, okay? So the first will be 1 by 2, second will be 1. So we'll get 3 by 2, okay? So when we put n equal to 2, we should get 3 by 2. We'll check the options, okay? These two are already discarded, no need to check the third option directly. So n equal to 2 will give 2 into 2 plus 1, 3, 3, 3 to 6, 7 by 12. This will give us 3 to 6, this will give us 7 by 2. Wrong, because we need 3 by 2. Let's check the fourth option. 2 into 3 by 4, so 2, 3 by 2. Bingo, we got it. 3 by 2 satisfies. So fourth is the answer to this question. That's it. This was it. I hope all the questions are